How to become a web developer in 2022. Everything you need to know. Technology plays a huge role in your daily lives, from the simplest of apps to the most groundbreaking inventions. Every website or piece of software that you encounter has built by a developer. But what exactly is web development and what do they do? All of this will be answered in this guide to how to become a web developer. To the outside eye, it can seem like a complicated, confusing, and somewhat inaccessible field. So, to shed some light on this fascinating industry, we've put together the ultimate introduction to web development and what it takes to become a fully fledged web developer. In this guide, we'll go through the basics of web development in detail and then show you the essential skills and tools you'll need to break into the industry. If you decide web development is for you, the next step is to start learning those essential skills which you can do in this free coding short courses designed for beginners. First off, we'll take a look at the web development industry as it stands in 2022 and consider whether web development is a smart career move with a particular focus on the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. Here what we'll cover is now a good time to become a web developer 2022 update. Are web developers in demand right now? How has COVID-19 affected the industry? So should you become a web developer in 2022? What is web development? Web development versus software engineering. Types of web development. The difference between web development and web design. A brief history of the World Wide Web. What does a web developer do? What does a front-end developer do? What does a back-end developer do? What does a full-stack developer do? And mobile developers. Programming languages, libraries and frameworks. What are the languages? What are the libraries and frameworks? Other web development tools? How to become a web developer? A rewarding job market. Decide your learning pathway. Feel free to skip ahead using the click here menu. Let's go. Now, good time to become a web developer. Before you jump into a new career, it's important to consider the path ahead. Can your new industry offer you ample opportunities and stability? How likely are you to get hired after you have graduated from your chosen program or bootcamp?